Good evening, and welcome to a very special night from St. Peter's Square.
Drones launching in 1 minute.
We're bringing light to the darkness over the Vatican.
There's a lot at stake for Nova here. This is as high profile as you can get.
We have performers coming in from around the world. Andrea Bocelli, Jennifer Hudson, Clips, John Legend, Pharrell Williams. We have the most incredible lineup.
Launching in 10.
Here we go.
Being able to be here with 3,000 drones, it's the most beautiful canvas you have.
Many times I have thought, this is impossible. My fear is that it will not be good enough. We only have one shot.
Yeah.
Nova Sky Stories flies light entertainment shows all over the world. We did one in Cannes, France. The next afternoon, Olivier finds me.
I tracked you down.
And says, I want to do this over the Vatican.
You see already here sort of some fireworks coming out, and now the whole shape's starting to come together.
Our role in this is to produce a celebration.
We are humbled to get the chance to transform two of humanity's greatest masterpieces, Michelangelo's Hand of God and his Pieta, into massive, moving drone light shows.
Nova Sky was tasked with bringing a light. So when we got that phone call to be a part of it, it's just an honor to be a part of that mission, to be vessels to bring through the universe's light.
Guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for your help already. So today we're going to build an airfield for drones. They live in the launch pads.
There's a lot at stake for Nova here. This is as high profile as you can get.
All the way up to flying 3,000 drones in the Vatican is super special, and there's definitely a lot of pressure.
We're going to start speeding up the placement of drones.
Many people would think there have been many concerts in St. Peter's Square. There actually haven't. It's a first drone light show. It's the largest drone show ever in Europe. All of these are coming together in a way that really hasn't been done before.
Pharrell gave us this quote, problem solving is a sport. And I was like, wow, what a great attitude change.
So they finish, applause. Okay. So then they have to turn and leave together.
And then when it's ladies and gentlemen,
as they finish the song,
welcome,
the applause, bring them up.
Yeah,
okay, great.
We have produced a lot of things, from the Super Bowl halftime shows to the Oscars and the Globes, and this is so incredibly different. We're at the Vatican. They've never had a concert that isn't a religious ceremony here on these grounds. We're thrilled to be a part of this team and working with Pharrell and Andrea and Nova Sky Stories to make this come to life. It's 7:30 a.m., so I'd say we got 3 more hours to try to do this, and then we can call LA.
We've got lights on balconies that have never been there. Got a stage that's never been here. Almost 500 choir and orchestra. All the performers we have that have come in from all over the world. It's a challenge.
This is really good data.
I actually looked back at shows we developed 6 months ago, and to some extent, they actually feel dated.
Our technology is changing every 30 days. We can do things now that we couldn't do when we started talking about the show.
The feather it's bigger than this.
We have this amazing track record of developing the technology and pairing that with the artistry of what we want to design in the sky. And I think there's an inherent conflict in that, because what we're doing is right at the edge of what's possible.
I think 6 months ago we were like, I know. 2 months ago, no way this is gonna happen.
Kimball is a very curious human being. He saw something in Nova Sky and has been attracted to those lights like a moth ever since.
Test. 1, 2, 3, test.
I'm so excited.
So are the drones going to do something?
In 6 minutes.
It's an exciting time for everyone, but a really tense time to make sure that all the rehearsals actually work. Here we go.
Scaling up the number of drones we are flying here. We need to make sure that we can reach them with good radio reception, good GPS reception.
This is where we're going to lift a little bit of the designs because it's really getting behind.
To have the hand of Adam and the hand of God fly over the Basilica to give people the feeling of being inside the Sistine Chapel. I have goosebumps even as I say it. This show is bigger than Nova. This show is about collective humanity. This show is about letting everyone know that we're all in this together.
So cool. We are trying to depict the art from the past with this new medium, take it to the future, and show what's actually possible.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
It is 4 o'clock. We are 5 hours away from going live.
We're really optimistic about where we are at this point, but there's a laundry list in here right now of things to do between now and showtime.
My mental checklist for now is mostly making sure the right people are in their positions. Float to Martin, all clear over there.
Clear.
All the drones, all the technical materials, they're all ready. It's just about making sure the people are ready as well.
Drones launching in 1 minute.
We're bringing light to the darkness over the Vatican.
Hearing the noise, the music in the back, hopefully tonight we're gonna bring a lot of joy to the people that are on the square.
500 years ago, people came in and they looked at these beautiful paintings on the ceiling. And now, 500 years later, people come and they will see those beautiful paintings up in the sky. It's just incredible.
Good evening, and welcome to a very special night from St. Peter's Square. This is Grace for the World. Please welcome Maestro Andrea Bocelli.
Launching in 10.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see.
Working in concert with the Vatican and the various groups of people that are here to be vessels to allow the universe's light to come through, that's a blessing in itself.
This is a new kind of show, but there's a calmness when we come together as a group. Couldn't be more proud of the team.
we did something that on the paper is really impossible.
3,000 drones.
I mean, honestly, if you don't believe in miracles, look at us.
Yes,
I mean,
exactly. This is a
total
miracle. This is a miracle.
Landing in 1 minute.
Nailed it.
And
So
for
good.
yeah, we absolutely nailed it.
Yeah, yeah.
All the people out there reacting to what we have done, it's just mind-boggling.
This moment is a celebration about being human, about being together.
It was incredible.
What's amazing is when an emotion runs through tens of thousands of people.
This is a message. This is about joy. This is about awe. And this is a chance to bring everyone together.
We are only just getting started. Literally, the sky is the limit.